Good morning, students. Welcome to Social Science class, 5th standard, term 1, lesson 2, towards history. Have you seen the museum? Yes, we have seen the museum. What are the things have you seen in museum? All old things and the things used by the early human. Have you gone to Pundi? Yes, I have seen the early human settlements in. In this lesson, we are going to learn about Stone Age. It means stone tools and weapons were used by humans in the past. At that time, the humans were not aware of any stone tools and weapons were used by humans in the past. To start with, humans were not aware of any weapons or metals. They took several years to invent them. Our lives today are their gifts. In this period, humans were not aware of scripts. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as. In the early times, he was nomad. It means he wandered from one place to another place. He did not know about agriculture. He hunted animals, birds, fishing, and gathered plants, nuts, fruits, and roots for survive in the. So he was called hunter and gatherer. He realized the advantage of living in groups. It was very security and safety and share food too. The group of people were not very large. There were no inequalities. The early man used quartzite, a type of stone, for making tools and weapons. Early humans lived in jungles along with animals. They used the stone tools to protect themselves, drive away animals, dig out roots, shoots, etc. The most important thing is that they ate everything raw, including flesh. They did not know the use of fire in the beginning. At first, dog was their good companion. Wild animals ran away when dogs barked. Humans tamed a dog as their pet at first. They took it wherever they went. Later, they started rearing cattle as they did not harm them and were very useful to them. They observed some grains growing along the riverside. They ate them and found it very tasty. They observed that the scattered grains were only eaten up by birds. They were keen observers. They found that the grains grow with the help of sunshine and rainfall. Thus, they learnt about the art of cultivation. See the quartzite stone, a type of stone for making tools and weapons. Cultivation. Early humans did not know to grow crops. They wandered in all the landscapes in search of food. They ate whatever they got and drank water from natural sources like river. This kind of life was called nomadic life. They wore leaves and skins of animals to cover the body. They live in caves and holes of big trees. Human noticed forest fire. At first, they were afraid of fire. They found some animals dead due to fire. They ate the flesh of the burnt animals. It tasted good. They also observed that the spark came out by scratching two stones together. From this they fired. Since then they ate cooked food. Stones were sharpened as tool by them. They made it with the help of other stones. These sharp tools helped to hunt animals and tear the flesh of animals. They used bones, horns, stones, skin, branches of trees, and sticks as their tools and weapons. This stage of development in history was called New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. See the tools they used by the early humans. The Stone Age was divided by three: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, and Neolithic Age. The other name of Paleolithic Age is Old Stone Age. It's from BCE 10 years ago. BCE means before Common Era. The other name of Mesolithic Age is Middle Stone Age. It's before 8000 BCE. BCE means before Common Era. And then the other name of Neolithic Age is New Stone Age. It falls between 10,000 BCE to 4000 BCE. In the Paleolithic period, roughly 2.5 million years ago, the early humans lived in caves or simple huts and were hunters and gatherers. They used basic stone and bone tools as well as crude stone axes for hunting birds and wild animals. They cooked their prey, including mammoths, deer, and bison. During the Mesolithic period, humans used small stone tools, now also polished and sometimes crafted with points and attached the antlers, bone, or wood to serve as spears and arrows. They often lived nomadically in camps near rivers and other bodies of water. Agriculture was introduced during this time, which led to more permanent settlement in villages. What was the food eaten by early humans? Raw flesh, raw vegetable, roots, and fruits. Why did early humans live in the caves? Caves were the ideal place to shelter from the midday sun, winter, and rain. Why did they eat raw flesh? The early human did not know about fire and cooking. The early human used clothes, torches, tools, and weapons. Torches means the light in the end of the stick. They protect themselves from animals and they find the path at night to protect themselves from the winter. Stone wheels. When the stones rolled down from the mountains, they acquired round shape. Humans observed them and thus a wheel was invented. In the beginning, it was made of stone and later by wood. This was the first scientific invention. The period followed by the Mesolithic age is called Neolithic age. It lies between 8000 BCE to 4000 BCE. Agriculture began in this age only. The people started to live in this age. The Neolithic man used polished tools to chop meat and cut trees. Next, pottery. Pottery was also one of the greatest inventions by humans. Their baked pot was strong and looked beautiful. Stone Age people made all the household artifacts by themselves. Stone houses were built. The roofs of these houses were thatched with sticks and husk. Husk means hay. After these several inventions were made, humans started living in the settled life. In this period, which has written documents are called historical period. These documents help us to know about the lifestyle of the people, events, food habits, culture, art, architecture, literature, etc. Agriculture was an important activity in the history of humans. They started cultivating crops. They sowed seeds and harvested crops. They found it convenient to live along the river as crops grew well near the river. There were burial posts called urns in which the dead bodies were placed and buried under the ground. 20 lakhs years ago, the man walked straight. Around 3 lakh years ago, he spread all over the earth. He cultivated around 8,000 years ago. Since then, civilization started around 300 years ago. At the end of the New Stone Age, copper was invented. In this age, both stone and copper were used. This period was called Chalcolithic Age. Bronze was produced when copper, zinc, and tin were mixed together. The period when people made tools from an alloy called bronze was called Bronze Age. They used bronze to produce many household articles. After this, humans found iron and started using iron tools and weapons. This age was called Iron Age. In this age, household articles, agricultural tools, etc., were made of iron. Metals were alloyed and tools were made. You can collect coins, postal stamps, etc. Most of these objects are dug from the ground. Such objects are preserved in the museum. In Tamil Nadu, Adichanallur, Arikamedu, and Keeladi are the sites where the objects used by the people of the past are excavated. Still, research are going on in these sites. This is the prehistoric period column. Before Common Era is denoted BCE. Before Christ is BC. Anno Domini AD, that is after the birth of Christ. The historical period was divided on the basis of the birth of Jesus. It was accepted and used by historians to write the history easily. The term chronology is used to express the historical events in respect of dates and years in the order of their occurrence. Study of coins is called numismatics. All types of coins, right from metals to paper, help to learn about the king's period and the economic condition of that period. Scripts inscribed about the king's rule, people or society on rocks and walls are called inscriptions. Usually they are found on the temple walls. All the evidences or traces like artifacts, construct pots, coins, idols, ornaments, weapons, written documents, etc. are valuable sources to history. Small recap. In the Stone Age, there were three types: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, and Neolithic Age. Now, we are going to see the evaluation. Choose the correct answer. Paleolithic human wore leaves and skin of animals. The animal termed by early human was dog. The first metal invented by the early human was copper. Fill in the blanks. The early man lived in the caves. The period before the invention of scripts was called prehistoric period. The period that used iron tools was called Iron Age. The first scientific invention was wheel. Name one site where historic research is still going on is Keeladi. Thank you, children. I hope you enjoyed this lesson.